Okay, I am happy to announce I'm going to release that editorial software I was talking about in a past video for free. Download link will be in the description or down this page depending on where you're viewing this video. So let's how this works is it gives you both the domain authority and it also counts the editorial links on a given domain. So if you're looking at expired domain names, this software is very useful for sorting through some domain names. So let's just punch in like a bunch of domain names here. Engineland.com. That's enough for just now. Okay, and punch in your Moz username and your Moz password. I'm using a free account, so you don't need to pay anything to sign up for Moz for free, and then pop your info in here. Hit go. Populate your domains here in this table. It'll load up a Chrome window. Another thing to note, this is a Windows only software, so I mean I normally work on Mac, but for running software I like to run it on Windows, so I built this for Windows. If you have a VPS or if you use there's all sorts of virtual machines you can get on Mac that will run Windows software. So it'll load up and it'll just start going through. As you see, I'm not clicking anything. You just saw it log in. Now it's just going through, searching these pages, punching in google.com. Is that the last one? I don't know. We'll see. They're searching it. And as you can see, just behind it, the software's still up. This window just comes up. You can minimize this Chrome window, whatever you want. Minimize both. It doesn't matter. But it'll fill it in as it goes. And then when the software's all done, it'll close out. So as you can see, now this is a bad example because we're on free accounts, so it can't analyze everything. If I used another expired domain, like let's redo this. Let's do like I think there's a joshbell.com someone owns. It's not me. Let me think what else. Something less popular because Moz. The problem with Moz, it only shows the top 20 or so links. So I mean, if it's a massively popular domain name, like Ahrefs might be too big, then it will only count for, let's say, 1 or 2, however many appear in those first 20. Whereas if it's an expired domain name, with let's say 10, 20, 30, 40, 50 backlinks, it'll be a lot easier. Or that you'll actually be able to see the software will be able to use Moz and see the editorial links available. So the definition of a couple things. So domain authority, self-explanatory. That's directly from Moz. It's right there, 15 for joshmcdonald.com. Editorial links just means it basically just means how many. I defined it as how many do follow links above a domain authority of 80 are there, and that's within the top 20 best backlinks. So it's not going to grab all of them, but a good expired domain name probably has 3 or 4 editorial links, maybe only 2, but that anyways, that should help. And as you can see, this, and I made a cutoff, so if it's showing the top 20 backlinks, it cuts off at 97 domain authority, so it's actually missing. It's not, this 2 doesn't account for any backlinks, editorial links that fall in the range of a domain authority from 80 to 97, just because the free account doesn't allow that. And this is built for a free account. This is completely free software to use with a free Moz account. No money required for any of this. But as you can see here, the minimum domain authority is 81. So I mean, the chances that there's another editorial link are pretty slim, unless it's no follow, which some are. But unless it was sitting exactly on domain authority of 80. And then this, obviously, it has 0 because it accounted for everything above 80. 0 editorial links. Anyways, download it. Let me know what you think. If you like it, please leave a comment. I completely dedicated 10 hours to coding this and making this video and putting it out for you. So if you show your love, send it to a friend, whatever. Mention it on your blog. Completely appreciate that. Thank you. Bye-bye.